Hi friends, I am here with a new interesting mathematical problem. 30 divided by half divided by half. So first of all, we will solve 30 divided by 1 by 2 because according to PEMDAS principle, first solve parentheses, which is not included in this question. Exponent also not included in this question. Then multiplication and division both have same priority. Division will be performed first. Now we will apply KCF rule. K mean 30 will remain same. C mean division is changed into multiplication and 1 by 2 is flipped. K, C, F. Keep it. 30 is kept itself. Change it. Division is changed into multiplication. F flipped it. 1 over 2 is flipped. So it will become 2 divided by 1 by 2. Now we will apply PEMDAS principle. So first of all, we will move from left to right, and 30 multiplied by 2 will become 60 divided by 1 by 2. Now again apply KCF rule. Keep it. Divide is changed into multiplication and 1 by 2 is flipped, so it will become 2. So 60 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 120, which is our answer. Thank you.